Please join the video, guys. Okay, I'm sorry for the breakdown. Not the breakdown that they call her. Make I also share. I be I day life, okay, and your call they disturb my life. I used to beg you, okay. Don't go. Your call they disturb my video. If I round up, I'll call you. I beg though. Thank you. So please, guys, let me share this video. All right. The other video just go off. I be they try to cut the call. I just cut the video. Let me share. I'm so sorry about that. Okay. Let me share the video. Why? I say can't play. Why? Oh. Guys, they come, okay? They try to share the video. I bet let me share this video. Why now? Can't play. Why? What's going on? Okay, I got it. So please, let me share. Let me also share. I don't know whether it still go on that page. I'm not sure. Oh God. Which cause be all these ones? No, not cause since that's a bono waba. Because I did good nothing about. So my people, as okay, man, share to all those groups. As you are joining, give the video thumbs up, love and like and share. All right, thank God say we never even go far before that video ends just now. Never go far. We never go far. Let me one page. I'm trying to share this video, and for those people where they cut my video, people where they fed they don't reach my page anytime I did line to say queen say, so you can easily come and cut this one. All right, if you can cut this one, you are free to cut them. You are free to cut and not even pay me any money. What's it be? Hello? I said I will call you back now. I do online. Give her. Give her. So my amazing people, maybe later I'll still share. I'll share more. So let me not waste on that time. So my amazing people, thanks for joining. Please, if you are seeing this page for the first time, this is the Queen's Talk Show, VIP Queen. Anyone you call me, I go answer. Mommy, anyone. Yeah. So this whole issue where they go on on media, it make me to like know a lot of people, a lot of things around me, how people behave, the kind of people you should be careful of, and I don't know as I want to put on. You understand me? So guys, I believe say many of you know the way all this whole issue take start. None of you be visitor, not be stranger. All right, not be visitor, not be stranger. Know as everything take happen for this media. Okay, and this our lady, our sister, so we will just lose or lost. May her gentle soul rest in perfect peace. To me, I see the scene and saying a prank, or maybe she did sleep, or maybe because I never still believe. Yeah, I never still believe, because in the sense that person where would they hear a voice, person where would they hear a voice all the time, person where they where they healthy, they sick, nothing, and suddenly we just hear say so thing like this happen. Now, my people, I watched video where MC Papilo do this morning. MC Papilo, I see your video. God will bless you, because I watch your video. You talk maturely. you talk as a elderly person, you talk nicely, and you hit the point. You go straight to the point, which is really, really okay, and it was healthy for that your video, and God will bless you. Now, I see some live video presenters, yeah? Some, I don't say all. I see some live video presenters. They are trying to pull out kiosks. They are trying to pull out SAGA from somebody who I know say he just buy. Not be say I don't understand what you know they try to do, because to me I know say many of them don't get our audio, una get our voice notes, una get some say they get receipts, some say they get a lot of things, yeah. And I know that many of una don't say and say, okay, as I said, the main money no they come again. So una when they use the audios where she give una or where she take follow una talk, una record keep. Una one user. I wish pay show self does I wish say pay show still day. Maybe many of una for don't say okay, una want do pay show, una want do pay show, una want do pay show. Yeah? Okay. So please, before I will start this video, I want to use this medium beg all of una. All the presenters, all the bloggers, even the ones where they spread Fox News. Some say na trailer she dey drive. Some say na 7 work she dey work, she know the rest. Some say na this is nothing where they no talk. Please, I use God beg una. Before you blog as a blogger, do your findings. Before you blog as a blogger, do your findings and blog something where you know say na be the truth. Why go me do amo imi ko ni gbuwa? Yeti do amo egbuwa. Because all of us, thanks for joining Mama the Toto, thanks for joining mommy. Niye do amo imi ko ni gbuwa, because if I tell una say thanks for joining my lady Omo Motoki, thanks for joining Mama Joy rest or not make she relax. You understand? Thanks for joining my lady, sit down on top. Because anyone will not rest, it will amo imi ko ni gbiyan. Yes, because if they say make we look, and at this media, all of us dey, we know as this whole issue take happen. We know as this whole issue take happen. We know how people take drag this lady on this media. If we say may we talk, may we come they talk the way if they say may we talk so who SAGA her? It started from Mama Joy. Mama Joy, now you bring that lady come this media. Now you make people know who that lady be for this media. With the help of your friends where they UK. Ever since you brought that lady out, she have been facing 1 or 2 bully on this media. Ever since then. And you know how many years you take bully this lady? You know how many years? You say Frank do you something. You say the woman they give Frank star if she the SAGA you with your friends with the UK. Abi, they wanna do find this. Una brought out her pictures, her mama pictures, and all those things. Same goes to those of you where see they talk say they SAGA. And Mama Joy, I also see video where they say they quote and come for me. You they analyze a Pibizugbe video. You measure my name. You say if they say me they talk. You say me SAGA the woman. Hey Joy, not find my trouble. Just as they tell you so. Not find my trouble. If you get eye, they see what they happen for this media, you can easily tell, say, for a very long time, I know they go for who not come for me. And if I come for you, I Buddhisa will carry come, or Buddhisa you pass. You they hear me so? Before Abraham, they were me. Before she reached where you did, she was with me. All the years where that woman said they with me, you guys were jealous of me. Oh, what take be one. Even to the extent, the one when me call the sinner, I don't even know say back in our goddaughter. My people, I don't see something. I no even know, say, Becky na goddaughter. Me no even know. Now, when this all matter, I can't boss, I can't even say, Beck, after that is, I don't get, like, after me and the lady can't get issue, Becky can't go be the woman goddaughter. A lot of them can't go sit down there. Like, I was like, where me dey? I mean, and Becky, they talk every day. Becky never one day tell me, say, Queen, me and this lady, they talk, oh. She never did. These are the people where we say, if you call their name for me, they'll be like, why they call some? You dey mad? You dey Chris? You see, I've supported these people in, like, I don't know, in so many ways. They were so jealous of me. Why they jealous of me? Because they always come out, I go they dance, I go they sing. It's a gorish Olivia. I go they sing. How y'all they share good things, you know. All the times, yeah, where that lady there with me. When I come to my platform, if I on my platform, I always talk how good she is, how nice she is. Even when MC Papilo used her sing, I was the first person that promoted that song. When a lot of presenters, the SAGA, the bully her, you know, I was with her, I stood by her, no matter what. Because I be the type of person, yeah. If I like person, I like person. You no need to they give me something. I don't even need your money to start with. If I love you, I just now so my life be. Because I be person where they feel for. If I see when I see the way that they drag her, and she reached out to me, she was like, Queen, even a lot of presenters, maybe they will feel say those videos not there again, but the videos are there. The videos are there. I stood by this lady. I used all body collect bullet for her. They even bring my brothers out with their children, SAGA them, because of this same lady. Una they get me. So these so-called people, when me say, we be friends, we are cool, you know. If they get issue, I they defend them. Come shine. They pass my back, go meet the woman. Not where they not talk. Some say they record the woman. Some goes there the woman say they record the woman. And meanwhile, these people they know this woman through me. Through me. Neither they know this woman. Now when Frank the SAGA her, she told me she want to reach out to people. She told me she want to reach out to people, made a point the SAGA Mama Kevin. I told her no. I told her just leave Frank. If you do small, he go rest. She said no. He won't make the SAGA Mama Kevin. You know, I just said okay. You feel call so people like this. There are some. Now me call them. I told them, somebody like this want to talk to you. You know. Now me connect them to how. When they can reach. When they don't get access. They fair just me with this side. They just you know. They said a lot about me. But I don't send. Because you not still, that will not change anything about me. That one not say if they break, okay, man, I no flex like I know they get. You know, I just lock up. Me self, I your boom. I was on my own. When I see everything where happen, even when the woman come online to insult me, when I see everything where happen, the only thing happen for this media, all the videos I will make. Now Frank even call and say, ah, come oh, this one oh, Queen the Queen do this one oh, Queen do that, because Frank wanted to really cause issue between me and the woman so that he go fit go marry in peace. Because he knows if me they no go fit marry in peace. So he wanted to, like, you know, me back, but I not said I was just on my own doing my things. Even as when me and that lady they talk, where would they play, where would they gist, I know they send her SAGA video. If you they work out with person, you need to know the kind of person where you they work out with. If people they drag her, I know they send her that video. Because I know, say, if she see her, she go there walk, like she'll they panic. People where they give, even when me they do video, even the time when me they help her that time, they talk to people where they drag her that time. Yeah. She go they call in, she won't contribute. I know they pick. Because I know how she feel they drive, she go want you they talk. If you listen to the platform where that lady they call, go back and listen to those videos. I get most of those videos. Go listen to the background. You go see how she take a breathe if she they talk. You know, say no be person will get heart for all those kind of things. Now they get me. But because of money, because of Ilalubo as they talk, a lot of people, a lot of friends, everything, they all betray me, they all gang up. Even the ones who they say will not even get caught, all of us, I will do me too, I lock up because I don't send anybody. You understand? I don't send anybody. They can't go there. Go they do their things. Even since where, because the video where Mama Joy do, she they talk, say people where the woman help, say they no con SAGA Frank. Say they no con SAGA Frank. When Frank they drag her. Say the woman help people. This social media, so if not be jealousy, this social media, everybody, every presenter get who they support them. Every presenter get 1 or 2 fans where they support them. I never want they go enter their things. Say, oh, this one, because say this person, they give them money. Let me go there. Let me go and do this. No. Even this Mama Joy, she get people for UK. She be the buy and cow. Where she they do a mama this thing. Not be SAGA she do for those women for UK where they buy a cow. Not be SAGA she do for those people. But because I don't know. I don't even know as like that is I don't even have much word to say. Now they get me. Now the OT don't turn upside down, table don't turn. Yeah? And this one will come at. He won't talk. Said you people should go straight to the point. And please, I want beg una, all the presenters, those who involved and those who not involved. Please, I'm begging you guys. If una really get likeness or love for this woman as una talk, please, Mona let her rest. Okay? Make una let her rest. Nothing will una want can tell us. Nothing. The whole thing happened for media. We all saw it. If the family want to take any action, Mona let the family focus. If there is any way myself, they feel need my help or anything, I am here to always render my help. So, but you see this idea of this presenter now one come by the fight these ones. And this one gets the woman audio. This one gets the woman audio. The woman not there again. This one go come the place, see what the woman talk. The other one go come to the place, see what it can happen. Please, now the woman will go see the drag. Yes, now the woman will go see the drag. As soon as get details, get audios, get evidence, One not forget say the woman before she reached where una dey, she was once with somebody. She dealt with people. She was once with people. And also, she also confined to those people waiting the pain her. She also confirmed to those people her unate bully her. And the evidence are there. You know sour, you know roti. So when he go for her to talk to the one where be say, this one go they play audio, this one go they play audio of person where don't buy. I use God, my beg me come beg una like this now say, it's okay. Okay? He don't do. Coming out to say the woman can say, no, that one not be help. If you want to really help the family or the woman, you get police station for your city or your country or your city. You can easily carry those your evidence. You continue for where the woman for stop. Instead of you to come online, because they use her find views, they use her find sympathy, they use her find ilalobo. You can easily, who is playing an audio? Yes, my lady, now where they want divert and go. So because as I watch Mama Joy video, she they talk say a lot of things there where the woman tell her, he go come the player, he go come the talk, and so that is why I'm dropping this video. I know say Mama Joy saying get issue with Epa Eddie and other, I don't know other people where she get issue with, which I not really won't give a F about. But wait till they try to tell the same. Before Abraham, men were there. Mama Joy, before you start to saga anybody, don't forget, say, people was there. That same Epa Eddie so where you say you won't come saga or anybody where you won't come saga. Don't forget, say, this woman was also crying to Epa Eddie, say, you the saga her. And you never can tell Epa Eddie go get those conversation and audio and evidence about you. Una don't let this lady drink water, keep cup. Mama Joy, especially you. You and some people, una don't let this woman drink water, keep cup for this media. Now una bring and come out for this media, begin the saga her. You won't talk, you say me saga the woman. Make I tell you something. Me way be say right from this issue, I'll be telling you guys, even when she go call for platform, insult my mom, insult that is my family and everything. Did you see me utter one? You see me utter one insult to this woman one day? Say I insult her. Can you bring any video where me swear for this lady? Can you bring it? But I feel bring more than 17 of your videos where you take bully this woman. You call her adulteress. Nothing where you not call this lady. You understand? So please, if person not talk, not me say he not get what to talk. And no one can they follow now. Now, they talk say, I know what I passed through since how many days, but I don't feel on my platform to I'll come they cry, come put face, come they form sympathy. No. You understand? Only waiting me go they swear for now. Anybody when I go see, if you carry that woman audio come aside, if you want to saga me, just cut that woman part, come out. Come, may we do it together. Woman talk to woman, woman understand. Even if you be man, come, remove that woman part. Come face me direct. You understand? Come face me direct. Say you won't come they play with that woman audio or things will involve that woman. Any of una will trying for this media. No so one so for no. I will say waiting by her or by una. Yes. Now waiting I will come they swear for una be that. If you claim say you love her as una they claim, please try your best. That is why when this matter happen, I know even write her name. If you see my wall, I don't post her picture. It's not like I cannot do it. No, I don't want cause crowd. I don't want make it spread. My lady say, Queen, I am very sorry. I did not do as you say. I got it and finish. I did not do as you say. I have offended you, but you have to understand why things are different. The arbitrary on me is too much. No problem, my lady. No problem. No, my lady self. No, not be even. No, not be. No. No, not be. No. Now they get me so. So please, don't play our audios. If you not get any feelings, if you not really like us, you not claim. Don't go there. Don't even go there. That one not go help her. If you really love her, police station, they your city. Police station, thanks for joining my lady on PTV. Police station, they your city. Police station, they your village there. Police station, they where you there. You can easily walk there and report to the police or whatever, to the authorities, everything, even if it's Itapo, let's in short, you understand, make the authority involved, because person no feel so delete your by like that, just like that. She not the sick, nothing. You understand? These people, they do am so the time I was on this media, they do me when I was with this woman. They do me so if they insult me, I reply them. They'll go the SAGA this lady. Now this media if what happen, the evidence are all there. This one I be the presenters now where they talk say, now this one I can't SAGA, this one I can't say no. You people don't have rights to point whether not point accusing fingers. You don't have rights. Thanks for joining my lady Omoyemi. You don't have rights. I love you genuinely from my heart. I didn't even want you to get involved with this stupid boy, but I don't want to be overprotective. Yes, my lady. Yes. I know. You try your best, yeah. Thank you very much, my lady. Thank you. I'm really short of breath. Now they get me. So please, if you not really want help, go to the police station where they your city. Go and continue this matter. Don't stand there and point any accusing finger or come the form say you be innocent. Don't go there. Don't come and push anybody to come make the come they play audio or play anything where they're not supposed to play. If you want to more in peace. Una see video where MC Papilo do. He was hurt. He was in pain because na a friend. But he talk well. He goes straight. He talk say the only complaint where the woman always they give her, it was all about social media bullying. It was all about social media bullying. Now, if there's okay, among all the old social media presenters, now let's be real. Including me, all of us, who never SAGA this woman. Among all of us. If I go even remove person, I can easily say it's only Queen Rita. Queen Rita and I think Lolo. I'm just being real now. The rest don't SAGA her. Is that no media? Is that no bully? The rest, I repeat, the rest don't SAGA. So what are we saying? Say SAGA the woman. I will take it to police station tomorrow morning. Okay, thank you very much. You understand? The rest don't SAGA her. So you don't have right to come and be pointing, accusing fingers, say, nah this one. No. Some people say they buy her because of house. Some people say they buy her, they say na SAGA way. You know that you cannot just accuse somebody, especially when it involves buying. You don't get right to accuse person wrongly. You don't have rights. Not be everything person tell they play. Not be everything. You guys have done enough. You have done more harm than good. Don't come and put on pretending face. Now me they fight for her. I even see Mama Joy, they say, she they fight for her. You not give her star. She they fight for her. You not give her star. The time where the Julie Long to buy you cow, did you cut for us? You cut for me. You cut for us. Talk less or say she give us star, we need to share with you. You fought for Julie London for a very long time, and she gave you cow. You don't know how much your cow. Not the other money where they can spray you. So you too don't achieve through your platform. Why are you jealous of other people's platform? Now, so he say he give the other one money to start business. And so, did I ask for it? No. It was a gift. The conversations are there. You they hear me so? Did you see anywhere I say, oh, you must give me money and come and give me money? No. The same way the backer will take give you. Yeah, that was what they say, yeah. The same way the backer will give you. Now so, for compensation of a SAGA well done. Now so they also give me money. Say, Queen, take, I dash you. You they get me so. Many of una will shop this lady money. Many of you will shop this lady money. You think I don't know you guys? I know now. I know now. But I will not come and be pointing finger and say, no, because now she won't give. That was why she gave you guys. Thanks for joining my person, Sylvia God. She wanted to give. That was why she gave you guys. But she go face that no give her money. You understand? So please, if you don't know what you won't talk. That's why they tell you now, say, even the Mama Joy or any other presenter, we go see this video now, say you get message for me, Queen. Remove that lady name. The way I tell the verse for some of you now, if I run this media, there was no saying have a soon, so remove the lady name. If you not get any small respect, if you not get any love, anything, if one even they eat for na belly, because I don't go come stoop so low, come they follow na they drag her, or I'll come they say because of the word one I will talk na lie, so I go want to bring that proof, or I'll come they say to prove something, come they measure her name, come even they involve her for bullying or for SAGA for my platform. I will not do that. And I don't want you. Together, I already have all the EVA audios. Okay, EVA videos. You understand? I will not want to stoop so low to do that on my platform. And I don't want you guys to push me. Because the real bully where that woman ate on this media was coming from you guys. Now bully her to there say she no get choice. She has to come and surrender to you guys and place you guys on monthly allowance. The time when I go come outside, I will come, they say, oh, she buy me this. Oh, she buy me this. And I really think, say, oh, if they carry class, say they cut money, they give Queen. All of you guys were jealous. And I wanted to be like me. Even my own so-called friend, I don't need to call her. I don't need to even ask her anything. Una feel say, oh, all of una want go there. How market? How una they enjoy the enjoyment? But it's a pity. It's a pity. Me, I don't feel do una those kind of things. I don't sabi betray person to even start with. Thanks for joining, Kenneth. I don't sabi betray person. I know Sabi, I was not raised like that. But you see, you when me just know, say, they read tell me, say, now so you be. And you can still do it for my eye. Even the rest people will not shock me. I beg you shock papers. Like, I was like, I did dream. What's going on? Am I dreaming? Like, I sleep I did. Why? It's not those things, you know. You know, call for. You know, call for. If you say you be my friend as you claim, you know, say, okay, fine, this my ex, we get issue. This my ex, no, we get problem. And you know wetin happen. You know be visitor, you know be stranger. I told you, Frank even play the audio. I tell you, say, this lady wants make a saga you with investor. Frank played the audio. He did my phone here. He play for YouTube. Where the woman talk, say, yeah, Becky, they call her, where they swear for Becky. She called me, say me not to put her, because I tell her, say, I not go to put. If I be so base aware of this thing that I'm saying. I say I not go to put. But you go there. You know even, I wish you even tell me, say, Queen, see, your ex-mom call me, me and she, they talk, I will be like, when they talk, no WAHALA, me just they keep her busy. You don't even tell me all this while me and you they talk. You call yourself my friend. If something they happen to you for media and they feel they don't come out, they say, may they not bully you, or may they not do you like this. So I know how many bullets I don't take for you for this media. And a lot of people will testify. This is what we are saying. Our bona wegbe. People now go feel say, oh, Queen, they are live video. They talk about Becky. But this, it makes sense like that. It don't make sense. It don't make sense. Me and you, they talk every day, every time. If you get issue about your ex, anything, and they come out, even though when Frank they sort out, I'll tell Frank, say, Frank, shut up and enter. So they worry you. You know, say me and this person get issue, fine. And you know she blocked me because of you. Then you pass my own back, go become goddaughter. You don't even tell me. Now when you come they cry, I never watch the video. I never know say she even do video where she come they cry like that. I don't even know. Now somebody call me from UK say, Queenie, where you dey? So this guy they follow this woman they talk since. I say who? He say Becky. I say Becky. No, and I say no. Say me and she say talk. Who is there for here? She dey always come my platform. And they say if I do online, she dey stroll they pass. You know. I say no. He say come see video. You even screenshot the chat for there. You guys have been talking for a very long time. You said nothing where she know they tell you. Now wow. Now wow. So you really you really needed my position that bad. You wanted to be queen. You want to be me. You won't be me. You won't be me. You dice. You want to be queen. I be queen. Your name is different. We're two different people. We'll be two different people. You can never be me. You know if you be me, no matter how you force yourself or try. You know if you be me. But I don't feel because of this thing I can't saga you. No. But I won't just tell you, say, you cease to be my friend. For life. For life. For life. This one are the 3 times why they can't this thing for your hand. 3 times. The first time, now you go tell Frank, make on the saga me. Now you call me when I did bitch say, make I can't see what mama go they do for live video. When Frank play your audio, where you tell her, me can't see what me they do, me want kick, carry me want do this. I was online, I shed tears. You called me, you begged me, you say make I no verse. You say make I no verse. I was like, why you do that kind of thing? Now you tell me, say, now you call me, say, see what they go and say, my ex-mom. They call me, since my number, no, they go this and they see what they go. And before that time, you did online, Becky. You already they the saga mama go before me reach us. When me call there online, you share my video to Frank. You say, me Frank, say me want to career for live video. I saw that audio, I shed tears. I forgive, I forget. Another thing where you do me, the meeting where we open, the meeting where all of us did, we were recording our conversation on that meeting. You were recording our conversation, including me. Now, when you do the saga, the meeting people where issue all day. Now I hear when you they play audio. You they saga some of them. Oh. I hear my voice of something when I talk about somebody. Maybe with time you can't play the audio by yourself. I was like, make it record me. It's a meeting again. This meeting had to come and join, but they record you. Like, I don't get it. But I just look, I just boom. Say, Then this one again. Person when me run say, I know fi saga you. I invest for her. You pass my back, go and become that person, goddaughter. You don't even tell me, and me and you they talk. Now some person say they do something. Now some person say they do something. You fuck up big time. You fuck up big time. You don't even call this in and say, this queen will not they use me play, queen will not they agree me they talk to me, queen will not they agree me they do this one. Your fight when me don't go for this media. I never even, my own self, I never fight for myself like that. But anyway, it's all good. It's all good. I know they see the, I know the verse. But I just want to tell you, say, it is very bad. It is very bad. It is very bad. They don't they live like that. I will advise. Now advice I go if I even get it to tell you, I will advise you. They know they live like that. I am very good things don't happen to bad people. Good things don't happen to evil people. Yes, you can fight, you can drag, you can do anything you want to be like me. But you know, if you work, you can never, ever, I repeat, ever be like me. If to say I be person who I want the raise body, I can never come close to you. For anything, say maybe I want the phone, I can never come close to you. You understand? But I still take you say, now we. You get. But it's so obvious. Say, when I give weji. It's so bad of you, eh? Very bad. That kind of character. I zero. Me and you know the wrong reason. Which competition me and you can do? You be you, I be me. Your team na your team. Your fans na your fans. Your money na your money. Your doings na your doings. Why you go leave your own things? Can't get interest for my own. Okay, now my own they hungry you. And my clothes remain where you go pack. Where you call the wear journal. So that your John will say, now you know, if possible, change your name to me. It is very bad of you. I be one call investor, make I report you to run. But I look and say if I call investor, yes, he go say he won't make peace. I don't want peace. I don't need you anywhere around me. I not try to pull out saga because I will go dirty with you. Don't even dare. Not even try. You dey hear me so? Don't even dare. Don't try it. Just do your things. I wish you all the best. You understand? So, let's take this in lady call. Hello, Mama G. Mama G. We take the pressing. Like, why you get me more? Not the more to laugh, I beg. Oh, my lady, calm down, calm down. I worry, I say, where ni round up a video now. Person. So, my amazing people, now so it be. So, please, I will beg all that presenter, all the rest presenter, please, if you know you truly love late Abieyiwa, may also rest in perfect peace. This is not what we all wish for her. You understand? This is not just that we not get, me personally, I not get power to control media. If not, I did my best to stop all these things, you know, but who I be if I talk doesn't, queen, you understand? So, we thank God for everything. So please, make nobody come outside, come play any late Abieyiwa audio. Yes, thank you, my lady. Make nobody do anything. Play any of her. I know that I don't have any power. I don't get any power over on a platform. Many of una go want play, una go want talk. Now they find who to pass the blame to, and wanna let the family concentrate. Make them feel detect waiting really happen. Even if they need to question the old presenters, even me, Papa, maybe they call me for questioning. Yes, they can call me for questioning. I know that my heart is clean. I know that 100% my heart is clean. I don't get any cockroach on my cupboard. Those of you who say I don't, go and bring the videos. Mona share the videos again. Make it there online. Make people see them. The way I tell SAGA, if really say not true. But I feel you bring like how many videos of her where she takes SAGA me. But right from time, all to say I don't feel SAGA her. Why? Because of the good times. Not be say if I want SAGA, not feel SAGA. Me, I feel SAGA if I want SAGA. But I choose not to. Maybe God even know why. God press me. I don't get that kind of patience. But God press me, hold me. Even when people they say, you know this, you know. I said, Muna, no worry. Now me she insult abi. I insult not go by me, Muna rest. But those of you now where want the points now this and I can bring a lot of una videos where una take drag and bolo this woman. Not only her mom, her family, her brothers, everything. Una pack and control away for media. Una beat her so she not can get choice than to come go the beg una inside phone. Which I get the conversation. I know how all this begging just start. I know where it for starts. I know the origin of this whole issue. But I don't want to bring a matter. She's no more. But I just pray, say, maybe she sleeps tomorrow, maybe she go wake up, or it's a prank. But if now so it can't just sit happen. As I said, she would already chop her money. Even if now 1 star, 2 star, anyhow she thought they support you. Please, don't come and drag her online. Please. Because the audio where you won't complain, not go help. The highest thing you can do, the only good way if you do, go to your nearest police station. Go and drop your petition there. Let the police, let them continue from there. Do their investigation. Sometimes not be who you face, not be responsible. If people be say, na something else. If people be say, no be something else. If it be say, na SAGA. If it be say, no be SAGA. If it be say, na the house where they collect for people hand. If it be say, no be the house. So let's, because if you call they do nyaga for this matter now, the family no go feel concentrate. You understand? So now beg, I can't beg all of you. Please, okay? If you want talk maturely. When I say video where MC Papilo do. Very clean and simple. Very clean and simple. No mago. No nyama. No do this one. No that one. You get me? So please. Try your best. Wanna keep all the evidence. Everything wanna don't gather. Madogwa wanna so na want to go. Because wanna get na so another person get. As if phone na phone na so if another person phone. And she complain to na so she complain to even me to other people. So please na beg ate beguna. Enough is enough. Let the family concentrate. Okay? I just go beguna. If she don't ever do good for you. If you really love her genuinely, may it just be like that. No need to come the drag her. user make money, user find views online. It's not helping issues. Now this one. You know the help matters. Okay, please. Bloggers will still they spread some things where no make sense. Some say na caterpillar they drive. Some say na this one they drive. Please, if you na watch MC Papilo video, now go see the real thing where all the work where she they do everything. Everything Papilo said was the facts. The facts. Okay, if there's anything where they disturb her, Papilo say na saga. It's true. Now what she don't tell almost everybody. She told me. She give me names of people where they drag her. Now people bring her mama come media, it's not me. Now people bring her family come media, it's not me. Now people bring her picture come out for media, it is not me. All right? So please, before now go they talk, waiting no go even add. Una use una brain. Now since this video when I do now, I don't insult anybody because why? This particular person we involved, so now person will be say I cherish now person will be say I cherish her so much. But if I can't they talk, now people be like, Queenie, you understand? I should give me now, so I give you now. In one way or the other. You get? So please and please, wanna let the family focus. I just got beg and I beg me see the beg. Wow, see. So my amazing people now, so I want to do this video rich, and I will not talk about this issue again, except say maybe some of the names when I mention. Now no say me I not like nonsense. I not get that kind of patience. Maybe they want to they follow me, they do bogbenta. Now they see me say okay. I will change up to something else. Like when I will consider the other side of me, not be this kind peaceful, quiet, mature video when I do so. When I consider the other side of me. But if everybody use their sense now or let their own for inside now, mind their business now, as I just stay talking so, because me I get target for grant. Kasala don't boss for the media. What do they call her? This woman musician where they play different things. Now matter they grant where we still they talk. Those now where they say don't return bride price. You know, I need to update my fans with better things. And if you can't live better things, can't they talk about person where be say una no let her rest till the end. Una know una self. No how una want to pretend. I get all of my evidence from A to Z. I have you guys evidence. Una names, everything. Una audio, even una the saga where she did my phone. She they cry to me, they watch una online. Me and she did on call. I have all the evidence. But I will not want to come and they follow na they do. Na you. No. Let the family focus. If you get any help to do, go your station. Go and report. That one still help. If you report the wrong person, at the end that person are innocent. If the person get money to sue you, he go sue you. If you not still get money, say won't leave you, he go leave you. Person like me, I know what I go fit do. So I don't know about that. I only know about myself. So please, make una let this matter. Not be by bring her come and they use and get views. They use and drag attention. A person buy so. Person way back so she don't help a lot. She be giver. Now me make una know her for this media. I be dancing and singing with her name. The music where MC Papilo, now me first start to they play those music. Now me start to they press that. Now me let una even know say so person like this good. Wanna start to they spoil her name for this media. Because una say the way I want to they praise her, she's too good. Una come pass back. All of una come begin grow wish leg. Can't go they follow back, go they do some, go they talk and go they talk. Because they say me they your pitch una sumo my confession igbanangbari. Which me myself I no one listing. I already without I never play any audio. I know the roles all of una played. Which una track clap for myself. Me and I person do me something, one thing you must know about me. If you do me something, I go do you back. If it be 300 years time. If you do me something, I go do you back. So since I know, say I go do you back. I don't need to come to follow you to do this. No. If I can't do you, you can't they cry. Now come and say, Alpha. Yeah, they pay you. Not fee pay, don't measure. You understand? That's the kind of person I am. That is why I hardly offend people.